Coleus is a colorful wonder with leaves that come in different dazzling palettes. Most traditional varieties of Coleus flourish in dappled shade and direct sun that's limited to morning hours. This Coleus here, for example, is enjoying dappled shade. That's why it looks healthy and happy. But did you know that Coleus easily loses color and vibrance when the light is insufficient? I'm going to show you some of the best varieties of Coleus you can plant in full sun without fearing the dreaded droop and wilt. Let's go! The first one is the Color Blaze Golden Dreams. This variety has bright golden leaves with red in the center and through the veins of the leaves. It performs well in both sun and shade, but the red color will be more prominent if the plant receives full sun all day long. The second one is called Sedona Sunset. We like Sedona Sunset for its coppery orange foliage that grows full and lush. It prefers full sun to showcase its colorful might, but you can still grow it in landscapes with partial shade. The third one is the Electric Lime. This one is also a popular sun-loving variety of Coleus, thanks to its medium green leaves with a contrasting lemon yellow color running through the veins. It makes a good ornamental plant to pair with bright or dark colored options. The fourth variety of Coleus is called Inferno. With leaves like flickering flames, the Inferno Coleus lives up to its fiery name. Its foliage seems ablaze in vibrant hues of orange, scarlet, and burgundy that dance across the deeply lobed edges. Its colors emerge in a gradient, transforming from bright crimson at the center to deep garnet along the serrated tips. When grown in full sunlight, the saturated tones intensify as if glowing from an inner heat. Due to its bold character, I prefer to use Inferno to add texture and dimension to garden beds and containers. The fifth one is Coleus Redhead. The leaves of Redhead Coleus emerge in a deep burgundy hue, soon morphing into a brilliant saturated red. The intense color is fitting as Redhead thrives in full sun, its pigments developing under bright light. Another sun-loving variety is Wasabi. This variety packs a punch of vibrant color. Its leaves emerge in a bright chartreuse green with deeply cut and serrated edges that add striking texture. Wasabi thrives in full sun, its golden green hues intensifying in bright light. The vivid color pops against darker companions, providing eye-catching contrast in containers or garden beds. Last but not least is Coleus Wicked Witch. With its sinister name and bewitching colors, Wicked Witch is an entrancing sun-loving variety. Its leaves emerge in deep tones of burgundy and chocolate brown, as rich and decadent as a forbidden potion. As they mature, the edges develop a striking chartreuse ruffle like the glow of a poisoner's brew. This beguiling color combination lasts throughout the season as Wicked Witch is late to flower and retains its mystical foliage. Lastly, we have Henna Coleus. Henna's frilled chartreuse leaves reveal stunning magenta undersides and deepen to coppery bronze in sunlight. This award-winning variety forms a uniform flower-free mound all season long. Its two-toned foliage provides an outstanding display of color in both gardens and containers, provided it basks in full sunlight. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.